Guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 6th, 2023. September, remember, yes. We have three puzzles already solved, the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Tectonic, aka JigsawSudoku number. This will be number 7052. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 16 printed digits, and it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 by 11. And yeah, there's 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Then the next question, do we have here duo boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. I see here duo box, the 1 is already given, so this box should be a 2. More duo boxes, no. Triple boxes then. I see here triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 3. So the only place left on 3 should be there. So 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box, the inside box, or the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Same for this triple box. The inside box, 4 or a 5. Box near the middle box. So 2 numbers left here. The 3 is already given, so the 1 and the 2 are left. Okay. Quadra boxes. Next question. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? Let me check. No. Oh, well, we have 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be 4, and these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. And my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah. And the first shape that you need to recognize is this one. Let me draw this one here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about, we have another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. Oh, here another one. We have 3 of these kind of shapes. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only 1 shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Then let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 1 and 2. Well. Come on. 2 and a 4. Well. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, okay. Then let me think. Come on. This is taking too long. Well. Come on. 1, 2, 3. This box will be, yeah. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 2 numbers left, 4 and a 5. Is connected with that box will be also 4 and a 5. But we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also 5. Is also connected with this box should be also 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. Alright. Then this box can be a 2. This box can also not be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. And this connected with that box should be also 3 and 5. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. All right. Okay. Well, next step. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1, so 2 numbers left in this area for us. 4 and 5, 4 and 5, okay. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 3 here. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be here. Alright. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. But also that box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution place the 3 there. Only place level 3 in this area should be here. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 1 and a 5. Is also connected with that box 1 and a 5. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah, thinking 1, 4 can be a 3. Well, this box can be a 1, can be 4, but also cannot be a 3. So 2 numbers left, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Well. 2 and 5. Thinking. These two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. But also that box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. No 2 here. Okay. Let me think. 1, 5. Need a 2 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 here. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1 or a 5 here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 2. But also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that these two boxes can be 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there then. Well, it's not helping me. It's not helping me. This one is a hard one. Okay, 1 or a 2. 4 or a 5. 1, 2, 3. 4 or 5. Well. Can it be 1, 2? Need a 5 here. 4 and a 5. We already have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1. We have a double 1 there. Can it be a double 2 there? Give me 3. Can be 4? Yes, definitely a 5 here. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3 here. Alright. 1 and a 2. This box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 and a 5. Or 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. 1 digit left in this area for number 2. I marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. 2 and a 5. Okay. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. So the only place left for the 2 should be here then. Yeah. Is connected with that box should be also a 2. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. Alright. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. Yeah. And now, let me see. 1 4, 1 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 2. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for number 3 and the 5, 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, but we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and see you tomorrow. Yeah, Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.